Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best gaming PCs under $1,000 you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an entry-level gaming PC under $1,000 for casual gaming or a more powerful PC that can handle VR games, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the iBUYPOWER Enthusiast Gaming PC. This is our best gaming PC under $500. If you're a gamer on a budget and you're looking for a cheap gaming PC that'll be able to play a good catalog of mid-range games while staying below the $500 mark, then the iBUYPOWER Enthusiast Gaming PC is one of the best affordable options for you. Currently priced at $500, the Enthusiast is a pretty good PC for its price mark, with a decent lower mid-tier CPU, an older but still okay graphics card, and a generous hard drive for storing your gaming catalog. You'll love casual gaming on the Enthusiast even with the AMD CPU being an older model. It'll still carry you pretty far, so you'll be able to enjoy your choice of mid-range titles with minimal bottlenecking. Unfortunately, you can't expect to run new releases on high settings with the Enthusiast, but you can play through a range of great older titles like CSGO and Skyrim, and with a sizable hard drive, you'll easily be able to build up a good-sized collection. What definitely doesn't come across as budget is the Enthusiast Tower, with a sleek, minimalist matte black case and a clear viewing window that lights up beautifully with an RGB LED when in action. But if you can pay a bit more, you can get a huge upgrade in performance with the SkyTech Archangel gaming computer coming up next. The key features are specs: AMD Ryzen 3 3200G 4-core CPU, NVIDIA GeForce GT 710 1GB graphics card, 8GB RAM, and a 1TB HDD. Accessories: comes with an iBUYPOWER RGB gaming mouse and gaming keyboard. The pros are price. It's difficult to get a decent gaming PC below $500. Storage: 1TB storage is a great deal considering the price. Design: sleek, minimalist case with a colored RGB LED ensures this PC doesn't look cheap. And for the cons, power. This PC can struggle with higher demanding games. If you're on a tight budget, but you still want to get yourself a gaming PC, then the iBUYPOWER Enthusiast Gaming PC is a great choice, with just enough power at just the right price to rediscover old favorites and find some new ones. The 4th product on our list is the HP Pavilion Gaming PC Desktop Computer. This is our best value gaming PC under $1,000. If you want to get into PC gaming and you're looking for an entry-level gaming PC that gives you great value for money, then the HP Pavilion Gaming PC Desktop Computer is a great option for you, delivering a nice bang for your buck. Currently priced at $570, the Pavilion gives you a solid CPU, a decent budget graphics card, a sleek, heavy-duty case, and even comes with an optical drive for older PC games or DVDs. If style is important, then you'll love the Pavilion's tower casing with a gorgeous, modern design that will pair well with any monitor. With its graphics card, you'll get pretty good performance for the price, running medium-strained games like Overwatch and League of Legends at the highest quality with steady frame rates over 60. For newer titles like Call of Duty Black Ops 4, though, you'll want to stick to lower settings. If you've got a classic PC game collection, you'll love the inclusion of a CD drive, which is a rare inclusion in modern gaming computers. You'll have no trouble playing a wide assortment of classics like Warcraft 3, Age of Empires, or the Orange Box at the highest settings. But if you're getting your PC specifically to take advantage of the surge of VR technology, then you'll want to take a look into the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC coming up next. The key features are specs: AMD Ryzen 5 2400G quad-core CPU, AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics card, 8GB RAM, and a 1TB HDD. Accessories: HP black-wired mouse and keyboard combination. The pros are price. Great price for a gaming PC of this strength, easily worth more than the sum of its parts. Optical drive. Included optical drive for older PC games or DVDs. Design. Slick, minimalist design looks fantastic in any setup. And for the cons, power. With only mid-level parts, you'll struggle to play some of the newer releases. If you're just getting started with PC gaming and you're looking for a cheap entry-level computer that will let you play your old favorites, including a few of the more recent titles, then the HP Pavilion Gaming PC desktop computer is a great option with decent mid-range specs for incredible value in a budget gaming PC. The third product on our list is the SkyTech Archangel Gaming Computer Desktop PC. This is a great all-rounder gaming PC under $1,000. If you're a gamer looking for a gaming PC under $1,000 that will give you a great all-round performance, then the SkyTech Archangel Gaming Computer Desktop PC is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $630, the Archangel is a solidly built gaming PC that really delivers some great gaming performance at the top of its class. The NVIDIA graphics card has enough power to take on most mid-range games like Skyrim and StarCraft 2 at their highest, and the oomph to play intensive titles like GTA 5 and PUBG on mid settings with smooth, consistent frame rates. You'll have full access to a wide range of titles if you've got the patience to fine-tune the settings. The CPU can sometimes get left behind during more intensive games, but the graphics card and RAM can pick up the slack as long as you're not trying to do too many things at once. It has the option to overclock, however, and with the heavy-duty cooling system of the Archangel, you'll want to take full advantage. If you want a stylish computer, then you'll love the distinct, striking white tower of the Archangel, with powerful blue LEDs that complement the style and give a high-end shine to your computer's innards through the wing-shaped viewing window. The key features are specs: AMD Ryzen 3 1200 quad-core CPU, NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, 8GB RAM, and a 1TB HDD. Accessories: comes with a SkyTech gaming keyboard and gaming mouse. The pros are graphics. The GTX 1050 Ti is a fantastic card for a budget PC, allowing you to play a wide range of games easily. Style: gorgeous white case with striking blue LEDs make for a high-end look on a budget PC. Overclock ready. Both the GPU and the CPU are ready for overclocking to boost performance. And for the cons, CPU. The CPU can cause bottlenecking during intensive play without overclocking. If you're looking for a solid all-rounder gaming PC while keeping the price below $1,000, then the SkyTech Archangel Gaming Computer Desktop PC is a fantastic choice that balances solid specs, performance, stylish look, and an attractive price. The second product on our list is the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. This is our best VR gaming PC under $1,000. If you're looking to break into the new VR technology and you're looking for a gaming PC under $1,000 for entry-level VR gameplay, then the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is one of the best options for you. Currently priced at $750, the Gamer Xtreme is a stylish, gamer-built PC with several excellent choices in parts to optimize the cost to performance ratio for games. The GeForce graphics card delivers pretty great performance. You'll easily breeze through GTA 5 on Ultra with a 1080p monitor, and even newer titles like Doom Eternal will run smoothly. The CPU may let you down in certain areas, but apart from some light bottlenecking, you're good to go. With VR, you'll be fine with an HTC Vive or Oculus Rift with titles like Job Simulator or VR Chat running without much hassle. But if you're interested in Half-Life, Alyx, or other anticipated higher-end VR titles, you shouldn't expect top-rate performance. It's an excellent introduction to VR gaming. If you desperately want to try out Half-Life Alyx, though, or want to beef up your CPU and RAM, then you'll definitely want to check out the iBUYPOWER Element 9260 coming up next. Its colorful LEDs spring to life as soon as you power it on, really giving you a feel of high-end gaming, even for its budget price. The key features are specs: Intel i5 9400F 6-core CPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, 8GB RAM, a 240GB SSD, and a 1TB HDD. Accessories: RGB 7 colors gaming mouse, CYBERPOWERPC gaming keyboard. The pros are VR ready, straight away ready to handle VR gaming. Case: beautiful LED lighting in the case makes this feel like a high-end gaming PC. Windows 10's API provides quicker processing in real time to generate higher frames per second and richer graphics, as well as reduced power consumption to play longer. And for the cons, CPU. Mid-range CPU with a higher-end GPU causes occasional bottlenecking during intensive play. If you're looking to get into VR and need a fairly inexpensive gaming PC to get you there, then the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a fantastic start with VR-ready specs, a gorgeous case, and enough power to play a range of VR titles and all your favorites. The first product on our list is the iBUYPOWER Element 9260. This is our best overall gaming PC under $1,000. If you're a serious gamer and you're looking for a gaming PC under $1,000 that will give you the best possible specs for its price range, then the iBUYPOWER Element 9260 is a great option for you. Currently priced at $1,000, the Element 9260 squeezes as much power as it can from the price range and optimized to play games on higher settings and resolutions. With a spacious, simple rectangular design offset by colorful LEDs, it looks a lot like a beefier version of the Gamer Xtreme, which it essentially is. With more RAM and CPU processing power than the Gamer Xtreme, you'll easily breeze through the majority of current releases at high graphics, including Doom Eternal. When you play Battlefield 1 and Far Cry 5 in 1080p with all of the settings on high, it will run between 135 frames per second and 109 frames per second. But at 1440p, the frame rate drops, but still is acceptable for an entry-level GPU. Less intensive AAA titles, such as Resident Evil 2, can easily be bumped up to Ultra without causing drops in frame rate. If you're still interested in VR, then with the upgraded GPU, you'll be able to jump into Half-Life Alyx on the low-mid settings and play through seamlessly, but you'll suffer a few slowdowns if you choose to run it on high. Other VR titles will run with ease though, so don't be afraid to play around to find your new favorite experience. The key features are specs: Intel i7-9700F 8-core CPU, NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti graphics card, 16GB RAM, a 240GB SSD, and a 1TB HDD. Accessories: comes with an iBUYPOWER RGB gaming mouse and gaming keyboard. The pros are build: excellent case quality and airflow with a removable dust filter. CPU: 8-core CPU and 16GB of RAM make for easy multitasking and streaming. Performance: great for fast-paced 1080p gaming. Future-proofing: i7 CPU will stay competitive, so you can upgrade your GPU freely. Price: well priced given the parts inside. And for the cons, power supply. The 500-watt PSU could do with an upgrade. If you're looking to get the best PC without going over the $1,000 threshold, then the iBUYPOWER Element 9260 is a contender for the top position. With great specs for the cost, stunning performance, and a sturdy case that's ready for upgrades, you're looking at a great gaming PC at a great price. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.